Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video. Yo, check this out. We got an impromptu unboxing right quick. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. Check it out. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We in the building. Would you look at this? Seiko, Seiko, Seiko. Everywhere you go, Seiko. Yeah. Here we go with the unboxing of this Frederique Constant. Okay, let's get into it. Live your passion. Now let's get into the unboxing, yo. Wham! Great freaking packaging. Great freaking packaging. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see what's all this. You know, paperwork and all that. You know what I'm saying? You know. This is where I get the put the warranty at. That's it. That's all that is, yo. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know the regular stuff that come along with a watch, how to operate it. You know what I mean? Paperwork and stuff. You know what I mean? Now, y'all know what it is already. Y'all know what it is. Frederique Constant. You know what I'm saying? Look at that green money box, though. Green money right there. That's money. You understand me? Money. Now, let's open him up right now. All right, here it is, people. And here's the opening right here, okay? Check this out. Beautiful freaking watch. Beautiful freaking watch, right? You know what I mean? This is what they call the classic heartbeat automatic. Reference number FC310MS5B6 in the building. Just check out this piece, man. Check out this piece. You know what I mean? This is a fabulous piece. Open heart, of course. You can see the movement through the dial. Y'all already know what it is. See-through case back. You know what I'm saying? Decorated. Frederique Constant. Alright. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that movement. The movement is what they're calling a FC-310 caliber automatic movement. 38 hours power reserve. 26 joules. 28,800 ALT/H. Alright. Yo, look at the crown. The crown is decorated, of course. The case is polished stainless steel, 40 millimeter diameter, with a see-through case back, sapphire crystal front and back, and up to 5 ATM of water resistance. The dial color, silver and pearl black, applied Roman numeral indices, hand polished, black hands, heartbeat opening at the 12 o'clock. Look at that, y'all. You know what I mean? And the strap it come on is a black leather croco calf strap, which is pretty dope. 20 millimeter lug width here. This is a fabulous freaking piece. And you know what? I'm loving it. But we're gonna go ahead and try him on the wrist right quick. But what we rocking right now, of course, is the Christopher Ward. Yeah. Moon glow. C1 moon glow on the building. So let's try this Frederique Constant on the wrist. Bang. There it is. On the wrist. That croco calf leather strap in the building. Yo, that is fly as hell. Look at that. Look how fly that is, yo. Check that out. Check it out. On the wrist. This was a Father's Day gift from my wife and my daughter. Love y'all. Really appreciate it. Y'all are the bomb. You know what I mean? And this is the watch I picked out. You know what I mean? Because I feel like Frederique Constant is very underrated. And I feel like they make some great pieces. You know what I mean? I want to bring them to the forefront. You know, I don't want to be like everybody else. You know what I mean? I want to have something different. Something that looks good, like this. You know what I mean? That is the unboxing of the classic open heart from Frederique Constant. You know what I mean? Fly as hell. Get into it, people. This your boy P. Ross. And you know what? We out. But before we be out, I want to show y'all something else right quick. You know what I mean? This is going to be a future video. Hey, I might even do this video tomorrow. I don't know. But let's close the chapter on this unboxing. Okay? Check this out. I've been very, very critical of Citizen over the years. All right? Like me and a lot of my colleagues, like Miguel, you know, Omar, David Schwartz, you know, a lot of watching guys, AJ, you know what I'm saying? We feel like, well, I'm just gonna speak for myself. I always just felt like that Citizen only had one watch that I would purchase from them, which was the Nighthawk. I lied. When y'all see this unboxing, y'all are gonna see what I'm talking about. This your boy P. Ross, and we out. Peace.